Hello and welcome to another unboxing with me, Chris. Today we are taking a look at the Jakhals, this new unit for the World Eaters in Codex World Eaters for Warhammer 40,000. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Yes, it's very, very exciting. And man, Cultists for Khorne, I think is really, really cool. Rather than, simply just giving us a Cultist sprue that has some Khorne icons, no, we're getting some proper cultists, which means, well, a little bit of speculation. We got Poxwalkers for, the Death Guard. We have Jakhals for World Eaters. Do we get anything for Thousand Sons? Do we get anything for Emperor's Children? Ooh, who knows? This is some speculation. I'm hitting you with some speculation right away. So today, unboxing Jakhals. 10 miniatures for the World Eaters. Let's have a look at the back of the box. And yeah, we've already seen some preview images of these guys all painted up. Love all the different looks of these models, as well as the fact that they have a whole bunch of close combat weapons. I'm curious to see if they have different options for, what kind of close combat weapons. I don't think we're going to see any guns, but who knows? Maybe we'll see like a sword and pistol combo. I don't know. But you know what? Let's dive in instead of sitting here flapping our gums trying to figure out what's what. Why don't we just have a look inside the box? Sorry, I'm trying to get between the plastic here. Let's dive right in here. Let's get in. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited to see these models here. So we have them. Let's open this up. We are looking at, feels like quite a few sprues. We've got the instruction booklet, and we've got 2 sprues plus the bases. So, instruction booklet gives us multiple languages. They do have a couple options. Oh, there is a pistol option. Interesting. Wonder where they keep their pistols. They are on 40 and 28 mil bases. So probably just the leader gets a 40. Got all sorts of close combat weapons. Oh man, lots of weapons. I wonder if there's extras on the sprue for more conversion type stuff. Yeah, we get variants. Pretty darn cool. Get a couple variants here. Didn't really see anything for pistols or anything like that. It shows pistols, but maybe they have rules for pistols and they just don't model them with pistols. Oh, this guy looks like he's got, no, he's got an axe. I don't know. Either way, oh, there's transfers. Oh, look at the transfers. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. World Eater transfer, and they're like brass colored. They have a metallic sheen to them. Yeah, I'm into it. I am into it. Even some of them kind of got like drippy blood thing going on. Yeah, these are pretty darn cool. I'm excited. So we should have, 9 28 mil bases plus the 40. And then we have the sprues themselves. Yeah, really fantastic looking details on these guys. Good size on them. They're not overly huge, but the same size as most Imperial Guard models. They got axes and swords. Looks like plenty of bits. Yeah. Yeah, these are very, very cool. I like it. Let's have a look at this sprue here. Yep. Man. Yeah, I really dig these. These are really, really cool. I like all the details. I like these little extra backpack thingies. I can't remember what they are for, like the stems or whatever. It's like for World Eater blood kind of thing. Lots of fantastic detail. And yeah, I think just about every Khorne player out there is rejoicing right now with the addition of these models. And of course, the Jakhals are going to be hitting the scene. I wonder if they're going to get treated more like cannon fodder. Probably, but I think it's a very welcome addition, and of course it also flushes out the army as well. But that's it. That's the Jakhals. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. There are various tiers of support, and a huge thank you to everybody for the continued support, and a big thank you to all my brand new patrons as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing.